Here is a Dutchman 19, let's see here, get the whole thing in there, 19-foot pole behind caper. It's got water damage, and I believe most of this water damage is from lack of maintenance. I was gonna post a video on how you lap seal campers and put your butyl tape in and things like that. But this is what's going on. The floor right here got ruined. There's a few holes in the rubber roof, and over time, people don't fix things and repair things or check things, and this is what happened. But as you see, floor down there needs replaced. And I'm gonna replace as much as I can. But that floor is gonna be replaced. I've got to make sure everything's right again. Right here, that board's not rotted. Down below, these boards here ain't rotted, but these two here, they got rot on them, so they'll be replaced. This board here, there's actually two boards. There's a board here and a board here, and both of those will be replaced. There's supposed to be a board going across here. It's missing. I got the windows. The guy actually started on the project, and he failed to finish it. I will finish it. I'll get it a nice little camper again. It only I think it weighs around 3,800 pounds. I don't remember. There's more rot up there. You know, I might be wrong. I think gross vehicle weight was 3,800 pounds. There's rot up there from the roof. I gotta test the rooftop AC. Roof vents up on top are cracked, like this one here. Got a crack in it. Water gets through. That one's actually taped to keep it closed. Water gets through. Water gets down into the main. It starts seeping under the roof, and it starts leaking everywhere. But yeah, just a little bit of work. Here's the kitchen area and a bed. I believe that turns into a bed. I'm not for sure. It may not. I don't know. It may not. Who knows? But the cushions are missing. Cushions missing, so I'm going to have to find more cushions or make some more cushions. I got the bed that goes there. There's actually a bed that goes here and a bed that goes up on top, but I don't know that I'm going to put the one up on top back. I may, but I don't know for sure. Or I don't know what if I want to keep the camper bed or if I want to put a more comfortable mattress in it. More comfortable mattress in it. Here's the kitchen. I don't know nothing about none of the water. He said all the appliances work. Don't know. I don't know until I test them. Here's like a little food pantry thing that is there, and thermostat. Here's a bathroom. Sorry, it's a mess. I want to try to keep everything fairly reasonable around here. There's no other soft spots on the floor except for by that door. Refrigerator, I don't think it works. Had it plugged in, it didn't turn on, so I'm gonna flip it over to gas and see if it works or not. If not, I'll probably put some style of a fridge in there. Don't know what yet. Don't know if I'll try to find another camper fridge or not. There's a radio monitor system for the water tanks. But yeah, I was just wanting to show you. Yeah, it needs some work. Can I handle it? Yeah. This one's simple compared to the fire camper rebuild. Just needs some love. Needs quite a bit of love, but this will take me, a few weeks. I'll be back up and going. Or at least structurally sound. I'm actually, I picked it up, Monday evening, and this is Tuesday morning. And, I already started looking into replacing stuff. I am gonna replace the paneling, but I don't think I think I'm gonna end up, probably doing a paint on it. I'm gonna try to do this as cheap as possible. Not cheap enough that, not cheap and wise of repairing it, just, cheap and, like, paneling style. Because everybody knows the price of wood's gone skyrocket. And the, roof, this is a 19-foot camper. And just about probably every sheet of piece of plywood on the roof needs to be replaced. So you imagine, it's not going to be really cheap. But I will get back with you when I get somewhere on it. But, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.